Hey there, language learners! Today we're diving into a topic that often confuses English learners, the difference between though and although. By the end of this video, you'll master these words and use them like a native speaker. Alright, let's start with although. Although is a conjunction used to introduce a contrast or contradiction between two clauses. For example, although it was raining, we went for a walk. Notice how although sets up an expectation that something might not happen, but then it contrasts that by showing what really happened. It's a bit more formal and used mainly at the beginning of a sentence. Think of although as a way to highlight unexpected twists. Now let's talk about though. Though is a bit more flexible. It can be used as a conjunction just like although, but it's also commonly used as an adverb. As a conjunction, it works similarly to although. For instance, though it was raining, we went for a walk. Sounds familiar, right? You can use though in the same way to introduce a contrast. But here's the twist. Though is less formal and can be placed in different parts of a sentence. For example, you can say, we went for a walk though it was raining, or even, it was raining. We went for a walk though. See how though can move around to fit your sentence structure more flexibly? That makes it super handy in casual conversations. Now here's a quick trick to remember. If you're writing something formal like an essay or a report, stick with although at the beginning of your sentence. But if you're chatting with friends or writing something informal though is your go-to. Let's practice with a couple of examples. Try to spot the difference and think about which word fits better. Example 1. It was late. She decided to call her friend. Which word works best here? Right. Although it was late, she decided to call her friend, because it's introducing a surprising action in a more formal tone. Example 2. She decided to call her friend. It was late. What's the best choice here? Exactly. She decided to call her friend, though it was late. This feels more conversational and fits well at the end. Alright, you're on your way to mastering though and although. Keep practicing, and soon enough, these tricky words will become second nature. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more language tips. Thanks for watching and happy learning. Haiti F Channel Watermark Text. See you next time!